Republic Day is arriving soon.
Yes, Mom. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January.
Yes, dear. Do you know why do we celebrate Republic Day and what is its importance?
Yes, Mom. On 26th January 1950, our Constitution came into existence, which defines rights and duties of Indian
Citizens. Very good. Yes, dear, you are right. That is why it's called as Republic Day.
On Republic Day, our respected President hosts our national flag and salute at Rajpath, and our national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung on this festival.
I have seen it. Our president, Mr. Ramnath Kovind, is salute our flag. But Mama, I heard a giant parade is held at Rajpath.
Oh, you know the parade? Riddhi, do you like watching the parade?
Yes, I like to watch parade. I saw on TV. But I wish one day I could witness at Rajpath.
Oh, of course, my child, you could. But remember, this year we celebrate 73rd Republic Day.
Oh, really? 73rd Republic Day?
Yes, my dear. And Republic Day teaches us fundamental rights and to live in unity and peace. So, on this Republic Day, let us pledge to be a responsible citizen in India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Happy Republic Day to all of you. Thanks.
What are you doing? You are watching map of India?
Yes.
Very good. Dishant, see, I have drawn something for you because Republic Day is coming now. It is our national festival. See, what is it?
Oh, national flag.
Okay, you know it.
Have 3 colors on it. Saffron, white and green.
Okay.
Saffron signifies courage of our brave
Soldiers.
soldiers, and white color signifies peace and truth. And last one, green color signifies green and prosperity.
Okay.
And it has a blue color wheel called Ashok Chakra. It has 24 spikes on it.
Okay. And what does it mean?
It means it denotes 24 signs. So,
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो,
La 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 la.
What are you doing, Pranav?
I am playing with flag.
No, you should play with your toys, not flag.
But why, Mama? I want to play with flag.
Okay, come to me. This is our national flag. We should respect Tiranga. Under no circumstances the Tiranga touch the ground. It is an insult of it, Pranav.
Really, Mama?
Yes, Pranav. And it should not be torn, burned, destroyed or thrown on the ground. It is pride of India. It is an illegal to write or make anything on the Tiranga.
Okay, now I got it. Tiranga is the pride of India. I never play with Tiranga. विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे।
देखो, क्या तुम जानती हो ये कौन है?
नो माँ, ये कौन है?
ये है नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस।
वो कौन?
वो है एक फ्रीडम फाइटर।
गांधी जी की तरह?
बिल्कुल सही। ये गांधी जी की तरह ही नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी ने हमें आजादी दिलाई थी और इनका जन्मदिन आता है 23 जनवरी को। इस बार इनका 125th बर्थडे मना रहे हैं।
अच्छा माँ।
और इस बार इस दिन को हम पराक्रम दिवस के तौर पे मनाएंगे। अच्छा, क्या तुम मेरे साथ इनका नारा बोलोगी?
हाँ माँ, क्या है उनका नाम?
आओ, खड़े हो जाओ मेरे साथ। चलो मेरे साथ दोहराओ। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा।
उन्होंने एक फौज भी बनाई। उस फौज का नाम था INA। बेटा, आपको पता है उनकी जो फौज थी, उस फौज का ना एक बड़ा प्रसिद्ध गीत है। जैसे आप नेशनल एंथम गाते हो, ऐसा ही एक एंथम उनका भी है।
मम्मा, ये गीत मुझे भी सुनाना।
आप सुनोगी?
हाँ, सुनना चाहती हूँ।
शुभ सुख चैन की बरखा बरसे, भारत भाग्य है जागा। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। चंचल सागर विंध्य हिमालय, नीला यमुना गंगा। सब तेरे गुण गाएं, तुझसे जीवन पाएं। सब तन पाए आशा, सूरज बनकर जग पर चमके। भारत नाम सुभागा, जय हो, जय हो, जय हो। भारत नाम सुभागा।
कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा, थोड़ा अंदाज। वैसे है चाहे वैसे है, भले जो भी है जैसे
are symbol of power, pride, courage and confidence. These symbols inspire us and unite us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Today, I will talk about India's national bird, peacock. It is the most beautiful bird on the earth. It has a long neck and a crown on its head. It has beautiful blue feathers and a long bright tail. Peacocks are very proud about their tail. They love rains when they dance with open feathers. They like to eat worms, grains, seeds and snakes. They cannot fly too high. Peacock's feathers are favorite to Lord Krishna too. Thank you.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।
Namaste. Saffron, white and green, three colors not just look beautiful, three colors give us a message that we should love each other, live in peace and in unity. Happy Republic Day.